Welcome to my first YouTube video. I went off social media because like I don't know, I just started having like episodes like breakdowns, mental breakdowns. But like I'm trying to fix that. But yeah, I'm trying to fix that by going to therapy and having like a diagnosed assessment of my mental health. So that's tomorrow. I will see how that goes. Obviously, I'm going to vlog that as maybe my second video. Also have like classes, nail classes, because I'm learning how to do nails. I have a kid's birthday party today. Well, is she really a kid? Yeah, she's a kid though. She's 8. Please. Oh, we're not PDDing anything here, please. Oh my god, I need to show you guys what I got for her. So last birthday, I think she was 5. When she was 5, I got her like a piano, and her mom says that, you know, she's doing so well with her music teacher and everything. And so I was like, oh my god, we need to upgrade that so she can be who is that guy? I think it's Picasso. No, Picasso is Picasso is the artist. Wait. Not Picasso. Mozart. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. I got her this for her birthday. I hope she's excited to see it. I hope I'm getting the right angles, Sha. But yeah, always encourage kids, because when I was younger, I learned how to play like the violin, and I learned how to play the violin and the clarinet, and I was really good at sports. But as I got to like high school, no one really like encouraged me. And I'm not saying it's anyone's fault, because someone is now going to be like, hey, how do you encourage yourself? If you wanted to do it, you will do it. Persevere. The point is just encourage kids, you know, encourage them. Yeah, having bad anxiety, so I've been taking ashwagandha and magnesium. In the morning I take zinc and like probiotics, because like obviously I have got issues. 1 second, I'll be back, because I need to figure out how to place this camera, because I'm not finna spend cameras now like 2 million naira. Forecast that money, please. Okay, fabulous. My CMOS is done, because I was taking CMOS. I have it in this huge ass jar. I had it in this big ass jar and I finished it. I think it has been. I need to get another one, but the babe that I buy from and I trust that they're not doing anyhow, she traveled, so I'll just have to wait till she gets back and she's. Well, it's always good to tell people who love you about your mental health issues, I guess. But yeah, this is cute. This made my day. This is so cute. I feel loved. So I'm getting ready for the kids' party. I thought I was going to do like a whole TikTok thing, and I feel like I can still try and do the TikTok, but if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But now I'm always late. Like, I don't know when that started. But yeah, today is going to be a light beat because it's just like a kids thing. I don't want anything to, like, do you get? That's what I always say. And I end up doing God knows what. I hope this is interesting to people. Do you guys like my hair? I'm doing my foundation now, but I'm about, once I finish, I will come back. So once I have my full beat, I will come back. I want to be sure that I don't look like a mad person. So the gist is, when you put lashes, your whole look changes. But I believe that when you put contacts in, your whole look changes. Makeup done, now time for jewelry and like the edges and everything. So yeah, I'm ready to go be an auntie. Yeah, this is my makeup look. I feel like I botched my brows, but that's okay. Like, no harm to that. Like, oh, auntie, where are you going to? How to fix it, because I really liked it on the website, but I don't know why it's like this now on me. Or maybe it doesn't just, I don't know. I'm not a fashion girly, but yeah, I decided to go with these shoes because I really like them. I think they're cute. And plus, it's called green.
So I'm so shy to like make videos, but
Occupied. I'm coming.
having a great time and I need drinks there. So yeah. And these are my shoes.
Up and grateful, Lord. Up and grateful, up and grateful. I had a great time yesterday. It really helped me. So today I'm editing. I'll show you guys what I'm editing for this video, the first video that I'm going to drop. And then this is my second video where I'm just trying to make content for it. I talk a lot. Zap zap. But yeah, I feel like today I also need to make a TikTok because there are lots of people asking me questions about how I take my supplements and skincare routine. Yeah, so I'm excited for that. I don't even want to be like those random people on like social media that cry and whatnot. So like I didn't obviously film my my session, my diagnosis session. So I spoke to like a psychiatrist, and yeah, let's see how things go with, you know, bettering my mental health. Yeah. So now time to go to nail class. I'm going for my nail class and I'll film that. Please ignore the towel behind. I don't know why my sister always hangs a fucking towel at the back of it. It's so ghetto. So I forgot that I had a clinic appointment, so I quickly went to the clinic appointment. That's for my face. And so after that I'm going for my nail class. This thing is stuck on my lips. But yeah, I bought skincare today. Things are hard and bad. But yeah, this is my skin.
Yeah.
Come and say hi if you want to say hi.
Come and set this.
So my sister is my model today.
But
Chinasa is my assistant today. Yeah, I'll remove it now. I can remove
You
it.
have to do
So this is what I'm working with.
for this kind of camera and this dollar.
I didn't buy it that time.
Yeah,
I don't buy it that time.
good luck now.
No pressure, wọ́n dá mọ̀, ọ̀gá díẹ̀ nílò ló bọ̀, wọ Amẹ́ríkà lọ fún tọ̀, àkátá wọn pọ̀lọ́pọ̀, plenty ọmọdé, wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí n sá nílé, orí mi.
I'm done with my nails. But yeah, I'll show you guys the final result. This is the final result.
200, generally get it be 5 bundle. For 500, generally it should be 3 bundle and 4 bundle.
Obviously, I had to make it long, so I have space to file and space to design. But so far, this is my nails. They're so pretty. I love them. I had to sleep with this thing on my face, so I'm going to wipe it off today. I didn't film my TikTok yesterday. I thought I would have time to, but I just had a lot of things to do. I even went for my nail class super late. I have to pick up my drugs from the psychiatric hospital.
Lagata.
Say damn.
Damn.
So that's crazy,
Say
baby.
damn, baby. Damn,
That's
baby.
massive, baby.
Massive baby.
Is it a life coming from Lagata?
Lord, you need to watch that video.
I need to change the lenses on this thing. Please ignore the sound outside. We live next to a building where they're constructing. So I'm off to my nail class. I don't think I'm going to film this nail class because you guys already get the gist of it, and plus I don't know, this morning I don't know how I woke up, but like I'm not feeling it. Like I'm not feeling anything that I've been trying to do of late. And I don't know what it is. But it's okay. These times shall pass. So I wanted to also come on and show you the progress of my peel. It's not that bad, honestly. Everything is a work in progress, I'm guessing. I feel like also progress kind of like depresses me a bit. I just want everything fast, but that's not how life is, you know. But with progress, there is success. So always know that.